This video will cover the Trello integration with My Repairs online. First, click Set up Trello. As I'm already signed in, all we then need to do is click Allow. It will redirect you back to the integrations page once the link is made. From here, go back to the Setup button and click here to create a new My Repairs board. If we then go across to Trello, we'll find a new board dedicated to repairs submitted through your portal. This has 4 lists each for different job statuses. We can also then set up an automation which will automatically move the cards to a different list once they're marked as completed. We can then submit a repair from the portal and see how it appears. The image of the repair will be the cover of the card. If we click into this, we'll get a bit more information, including the description, contact, and category. We can also click the link at the bottom to see the My Repairs record for the repair. This card can be moved around freely, and thanks to the automation we've set up, it will go straight to done once completed.